Good evening. Today, 17 June 2020, me Alia Ghosh from Lavafara Media here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. India's COVID recovery rate improves to 52.47%. Testing capacity reaches 3 lakh samples a day. Health Ministry. New Delhi, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Tuesday said that the recovery rate of patients suffering from COVID-19 has improved to 52.47% in the country. On Monday, the Health Ministry reported that India's recovery rate was 51.08%. During the last 24 hours, 10,215 COVID-19 patients were cured. A total of 1,80,012 patients so far have been cured of COVID-19. It is said in a press release. The recovery rate rises to 52.47%, which is indicative of the fact that more than half of the positive cases were recovered from the disease. The ministry added, currently there are 1,53,178 active cases in the country and they are under medical supervision. It is said testing capacity reaches 3 lakh samples a day. The health ministry also said that India has tested 59,21,069 COVID-19 samples so far, and the capacity to test has now gone up to 3 lakh samples per day. The testing capacity for detecting the coronavirus in an infected person in the country is continuously being ramped up. The country now has the capacity to test 3 lakh samples per day. The total number of samples tested thus far is 59,21,069, with 1,54,935 samples tested in the last 24 hours, the military said. It added that a network of 907 labs have been created in the country so far, including 659 government labs and 248 private labs. According to the ministry, there are 534 real-time RT-PCR based testing labs in the country. The ministry said that the rapid antigen test may be used in containment zones and hospital settings under strict medical supervision. So here it goes with some more news. Timely decisions helped in containing coronavirus in India, PM Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that timely decisions have helped in containing coronavirus in the country. His remarks came at his meeting with the Chief Minister and heads of 21 states and union territories on the COVID-19 situations in the country held via video conferencing. 2 weeks have passed since Unlock 1. Our experience during this time could be beneficial for us in the future. Today I will get to know reality from you. Your suggestions will help in chalking out future strategy, he said. Timing matters a lot in overcoming any crisis. Timely decisions have helped a lot in containing coronavirus in the country, he said. Speaking further, the Prime Minister said in last few weeks, thousands of Indians returned to India from abroad and hundreds of migrant workers reached their hometowns. Almost all modes of transport have resumed operations still. COVID-19 impact has not been that huge in India as in other parts of the world. On June 13, Prime Minister Modi held a detailed meeting with senior ministers and officials to review India's response to COVID-19 pandemic.